Dr. Maya Mahajan, you're from the SP Godrej Institute. Could you tell us a little bit about its work?
SP Godrej Marine Ecology Center is located in Vikhroli, Mumbai, and we are conserving vast area under mangroves in
How big?
Vikhroli. It is around 700 hectares,
I see.
1750 acres, or slightly more than that. And
Basically conserving the...
yeah, we are conserving mangroves. We also conduct education programs. We want to inform different groups in the society about importance of mangroves.
How many species of mangroves are there?
Almost 16 species of mangrove and mangrove associate species are there.
You all have attempt to replanting also?
We also have nursery. We collect rare mangrove seedlings and raise nursery, and we also conduct plantation programs. And some few years back, we have conducted plantation in somewhat almost 100 acres saline blanks.
I see. How long it takes to grow a mangrove?
It takes time, depending upon different species. There are
minimum.
For sapling, it takes 3 to 4 months to grow from seed to sapling, and then it takes 6-7 months to grow into a little bigger plant.
I see. In Mumbai, because of the growth, economic growth, there is a lot of pressure on the mangrove regions.
Yeah.
So it's in bad state, or what is the state?
Yeah, if you see in other areas in mangroves, it is like in last decade we have almost lost more than 40% of mangroves in Mumbai. If you see areas in Mahim and some other area, it looks like Mahim Creek looks like a sewerage, and people think that mangroves are some unwanted weeds where they can throw their all sewage and they can dump their garbage. So condition of mangroves in Mumbai is very bad, and because of that mainly people want to cut them and construct buildings.
What's the situation in the other parts of India?
Other parts of India also mangroves are under pressure, but Mumbai situation is worst.
I see.
Because there is too much pressure from builder lobby and construction and ever expanding population.
But as far as the average person is concerned, how do you convince them of the benefits? What are the benefits of the mangrove?
Actually, see, mangroves are more important in case of Mumbai, because Mumbai being a coastal city, it is surrounded by island city, it is surrounded by water from all the side, and because of this global warming and sea level rise, mangroves will play a very critical role in saving Mumbai from the sea level rise or wave or wind action. So we tell people that they act as buffer between land and zone, and buffer zone between land and sea, and they play important role in protecting us from the waves and strong wind actions during tsunamis, and even they act as
sinks.
Yeah, they act as carbon sinks. They also reduce heavy metal pollution. They absorb heavy metals from the creeks, and they also support varieties of animals, including fishes, and in a way they support livelihood of fishermen.
I see.
Communities.
So quite not long back, full of Mumbai was rich in mangroves because of the islands and things like that.
Yeah, in long back, Mumbai was in, several islands, and Britishers reclaimed the island and made a bigger island. During that time also they cut mangroves and reclaimed islands, and now also that reclamation is still going on for different purpose.
Thank you so much.